And how about you?
Kapil mo siya.
Wa ko nakita. Okay. Ah!
My face looks so oily. I've been eating chicken. Okay. Okay, nag-message Tita Ginny yung sanda na to.
Ni Mrs. Jay?
Oh, mag-sino mag-message Tita Ginny?
Saman?
Ang basta.
Friend na dahil sila?
Mas una sila nagkaila. Kaya tungod ba ni Tita Ginny munang nakuha niya akong hoodie. Sige, dala ni Tita Ginny ito ang ipadala.
Okay. So nag-meet na dahil sila sa Lindel Brian?
After lang kabayan, wala. Pero itong isa ka anak Tita Ginny nagkakita na.
Kisa man? Si Melanie?
Dali, si Kay.
Si Kay? Murag kaslunon man siguro si Kay? Kaslunon si Kay, kuya?
One of Tita Ginny's daughters married to a Mexican. Or not. That's why her...
She's getting married. Next year. Yeah.
That's why Tita Ginny's apo looks like...
Ginny can't attend the Dodong's wedding. Because yeah.
It's around the same time. Is it the one that's a nurse? Or the other one?
Ginny is a doctor. She's a doctor.
Her daughter.
The one that you met was not a nurse. It was a PT. A TK.
Yeah.
And that's not the eldest one.
Si Brian is attorney. He is attorney.
Iwan mo kay Carl. Iwan mo kay Carl.
Ano yung apoy-apoy?
Sa kabila yun.